Here I've got HUAWEI P Smart Z, and let me show you how to activate SwiftKey Autocorrection on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and select System, go to Language and Input, and click on SwiftKey Keyboard right here. Then go to Typing and select Typing and Autocorrect. And actually all you have to do to activate Autocorrection is to tap on this switcher right next to Autocorrect. And from now on, words will be corrected to the middle prediction as you type. If you would like to check how it works, just click here on keyboard and, for example, let me enter trying with some misspelling, and as you can see, it has been corrected. So that would be all, so you can activate and use autocorrection in your HUAWEI P Smart Z. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.